Management visionary, Peter Drucker, once professed, "There is nothing so useless as doing efficiently that which should not be done at all." This observation remarkably aligns with the fundamental ethos of cost optimization. In the rapidly evolving business landscape, cost optimization has moved from being just another function to an essential component of strategic planning. The essence of cost optimization. Cost optimization is the continuous drive to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of service delivery, and to minimize costs. It is not simply about cost cutting, it includes looking at the value a company gets from its investments, and how these add to its bottom line. With the relentless pace of digital transformation, organizations seeking operational excellence must conscientiously consider cost optimization as part of their strategic approach. Role of cost optimization in performance management. Performance management involves tracking and analyzing performance metrics to facilitate optimal operational performance. A system that balances performance management and cost optimization is critical for a company's sustainability and growth. It allows companies to allocate resources efficiently, adapt quickly to market changes, and seize potential opportunities. The strategic alignment of cost, performance, and risk is a key component of optimizing value. Keys to effective cost optimization strategy. Internal and external benchmarking. This allows a company to compare its costs and performance with the best in the industry, leading to improved efficiency and effectiveness. Investing in technology and innovation. Technological advancements create opportunities to streamline processes, improve productivity, and consequently, reduce costs. Supply chain optimization. By enhancing supply chain strategies, businesses can improve their operational efficiency and reduce costs associated with inventories and logistics. Focus on core competencies. Outsourcing non-core functions can enable resource reallocation towards core competencies, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness. Role of leadership in cost optimization. Driving cost optimization requires the commitment of the executive leadership. Leaders must cultivate a culture of cost consciousness throughout the organization. They need to publicly support cost optimization programs and set a clear vision, aligning cost optimization efforts with the company's objectives. An organization-wide understanding of cost optimization creates ownership and helps all employees to contribute in a meaningful way. Embracing cost optimization in the digital age. In the era of digital transformation, the traditional cost structures are changing dramatically. Businesses leveraging state-of-the-art technology tend to have higher initial capital outlays and potentially lower operational costs. Identifying and capitalizing on these shifting dynamics is critical for cost optimization in the digital age. Ensuring sustainability via cost optimization. In our resource-constrained world, sustainability is a strategic imperative for businesses. Cost optimization plays a significant role in sustainability initiatives. By reducing resource waste and enhancing output efficiency, businesses not only bolster their bottom line but also underline their commitment to sustainability. Risk management and cost optimization. Risk management is a key marker of a robust cost optimization strategy. A well-integrated risk strategy identifies potential cost vulnerabilities and assigns appropriate resources to mitigate those risks. This aspect of risk management allows for a more proactive approach to cost optimization, thereby enhancing its effectiveness. A final note, a truly sustainable and efficient cost optimization strategy requires a comprehensive view of costs across an organization's entire value chain. The goal is to not merely reduce costs, but to ensure an optimal utilization of resources, thereby delivering maximum value to stakeholders. Want to learn more about cost optimization? We have included links to cost optimization resources in the description. Also, download presentations, templates, and other best practice tools on cost optimization from Flevy.com.